Hey everyone, welcome to the Cash Club. Today we're talking about passive income streams and how they can help you generate additional income without the need to actively work for it. Passive income streams are a great way to diversify your income, build wealth, and reach your financial goals. Although it may require some upfront work, once it's set up, you can generate income without having to do any additional work. In this video, we'll be discussing ways to generate passive income online and the steps and tips you need to ensure success. Generating passive income online is an increasingly popular way to gain financial independence. With the right strategies and dedication, you can build an income stream that will help you reach your financial goals. So join us at the Cash Club as we explore the world of passive income streams. Let's talk about ways to generate passive income online. The first way is investing in real estate. This involves buying property, such as houses or apartments, and renting it out for a profit. The second way is investing in stocks. This involves buying shares in a company and receiving dividends from the profits. The third way is creating a digital product. This could be an ebook, a course, or any other type of product that can be sold online. The fourth way is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products from other companies and receiving a commission from sales. Let's dive deeper into each method and explore the steps and tips you need to ensure success. If you have any doubts about any of the methods, you can let a comment below and we'll try to help. If needed, we might try to do a separate video explaining each method and solving some of the doubts, or even make a video of each one of the ways to do each method and explain them deeply. Investing in real estate. Investing in real estate is a great way to create long-term wealth and can be done in a variety of ways. We will try to explain the different ways to invest in real estate, the differences between them, and the pros and cons of each. The first way to invest in real estate is through direct ownership. This is the most common way of investing in real estate and it involves purchasing a property outright. This can be a great way to build long-term wealth as you will own the property and will be able to benefit from its appreciation in value over time. The downside is that it requires a large upfront investment which can be difficult for some people. The second way to invest in real estate is through real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are companies that purchase and manage real estate properties. They allow investors to benefit from real estate investments without actually owning the property. The downside is that the returns are typically lower than those of direct ownership. The third way to invest in real estate is through crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their resources to purchase real estate properties. This can be a great way to get into real estate investing without a large upfront investment. The downside is that the returns are often lower than those of direct ownership or REITs. Finally, the fourth way to invest in real estate is through real estate derivatives. Derivatives are financial instruments that are based on an underlying asset, such as a real estate property. These instruments can be used to speculate on the future value of a property. The downside is that they can be complex and risky, and there is no guarantee of making a profit. Investing in real estate can be a great way to build long-term wealth, but it is important to understand the different ways to do it and the associated risks. Now, let's move on to the next passive income stream. Investing in stocks. Stocks are a form of investment that have been around for centuries. They can be a great way to make money, but it's important to understand how to invest in stocks before you get started. There are several different ways to invest in stocks. The first way is to invest in individual stocks. When you buy individual stocks, you are buying ownership in a company. This means that you have the potential to benefit from any gains the company makes. However, it also means that you are taking on more risk as you are more exposed to the performance of a single stock. Another way to invest in stocks is through mutual funds. Mutual funds are a collection of stocks that are managed by a professional. When you buy a mutual fund, you are buying a basket of stocks that have been selected based on the fund's investment strategy. This can help to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. With mutual funds, you are also paying a fee to the fund manager, so it's important to understand the fees associated with the fund you are considering. Finally, you can also invest in stocks through exchange-traded funds. Exchange-traded funds are similar to mutual funds, but they are traded on the stock exchange. They are a way to invest in a basket of stocks without having to buy each stock individually. They also have lower fees than mutual funds, making them a cost-effective way to invest. When it comes to investing in stocks, there are pros and cons to each of the methods. For example, buying individual stocks gives you more control over your investments, but it also carries more risk. Mutual funds are a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk, but they also come with higher fees. Exchange-traded funds are a cost-effective way to invest, but they also have less diversification than mutual funds. It's important to do your research and understand each of these methods before you start investing in stocks. Investing in stocks can be a great way to make money, but it's important to understand the risks and rewards before getting started. Now, let's move on to the next passive income stream. Creating a digital product. Digital products are an easy and effective way to make money online and can be created quickly and easily, but there are a few different ways to go about it. So let's take a look at each one. The first way to create a digital product is to design and create it yourself. This method requires you to have some technical knowledge or programming skills. You can use a software like Adobe Creative Suite to design the product, and then use a language like HTML or JavaScript to code it. This method gives you complete control over the design and functionality of the product, but it can take a lot of time and effort. The second way to create a digital product is to outsource the design and development to a third-party company. This method requires less technical knowledge, but it can be costly. You will have to provide a detailed description of what you want the product to do and look like, and then the company will design and develop the product for you. This method is great if you don't have the time or skills to design and develop the product yourself, but it can be expensive. The third way to create a digital product is to use a template. This method requires no technical knowledge or programming skills. You can purchase a template online and then customize it to your own needs. This method is great if you're on a budget, but it can be limiting in terms of the design and functionality of the product. Those are the 3 ways to create a digital product. Each method has its own pros and cons, so it's important to consider each one carefully before deciding which is best for you. Now, let's move on to the next passive income stream. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each customer or visitor brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. It's a great way to make money online and can be a great way to supplement your existing income. It works by having an affiliate promote a product or service, and then the affiliate earns a commission when a customer or visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase. To simplify, the affiliate is essentially helping to promote the product or service in exchange for a commission. There are many different types of affiliate marketing. Here are some. Pay-per-click is when an affiliate is rewarded when a visitor clicks on their affiliate link. This is typically used for websites with high traffic but low conversion rates. Pay-per-sale is when an affiliate is rewarded for each sale that is made through their affiliate link. This is typically used for websites with low traffic but high conversion rates. Pay-per-lead is when an affiliate is rewarded for each lead generated through their affiliate link. This is typically used for websites that generate leads but don't necessarily result in a sale. Pay-per-action is when an affiliate is rewarded for each action taken on their affiliate link. This is often used for sites that offer services or products that require a series of steps to complete. Cost per mil is when an affiliate is rewarded for every 1,000 visitors or impressions sent to the advertiser's site. This is typically used for websites with high traffic but low conversion rates. Pros and cons. The pros of affiliate marketing include that it is relatively easy to set up, it can be done with little to no upfront costs, and it can be a great way to supplement your existing income. The cons of affiliate marketing include that it can be time-consuming and requires a lot of hard work and dedication to make it successful. It can also be difficult to track the results of your efforts, and there is no guarantee of success. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online and can be a great way to supplement your existing income. There are many different types of affiliate marketing, and there are both pros and cons to consider. Now that we've gone over all the methods, let's take a look at some tips to ensure success with passive income streams. First, it's important to do your research and make sure that you understand the different types of passive income streams and how they work. There are different types of streams, such as investing in real estate, stocks, bonds, and other investments. You should also look into royalties, such as writing books or creating music. Second, you should diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having multiple income streams can help to spread out your risks and maximize your income potential. Third, you should be prepared to accept some risk. Investing in passive income streams can be risky, so it's important to understand the risks associated with each investment and be prepared to accept them. Fourth, it's important to have patience. Building passive income streams takes time and dedication, so it's important to be patient and not give up. Fifth, you should be prepared to reinvest some of your earnings. Reinvesting your earnings is essential for growth and will help you to continue to earn more passive income in the future. Finally, it's important to stay organized. Keeping track of your investments and income streams can help you to stay on top of your investments and ensure that you're making the most of your passive income streams. These are just some of the tips that you should consider when looking to ensure success with passive income streams. By doing your research and understanding the different types of streams, diversifying your investments, being prepared to accept some risk, having patience, reinvesting your earnings, and staying organized, you can maximize your income potential and ensure success with your passive income streams. We hope that this video has given you some insight into the world of passive income streams and the steps and tips you need to ensure success. Generating passive income is a great way to diversify your income, build wealth, and reach your financial goals. It may require some upfront work, but once it's set up, you can generate income without having to do any additional work. We hope that you found this video helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how to generate passive income online. Thanks for joining us at the Cash Club and good luck with your passive income streams.